In this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into our self-paced workshops. So like all of our online self-paced courses, the big benefit here is the convenience. You can access the course materials at any time of day and move through the lessons at your own speed. These are topic deep dives, so you'll notice multiple lessons. Every lesson has different modalities, learning modalities, audio, video, slide decks, and quizzes peppered throughout to test your understanding and absorption of the material. The best part is that you have downloadable resources so that even after your course finishes, you have a reference to continue to refine and apply the learnings from the course. By the end, you should feel really solid of your understanding of the material and be able to apply that to your writing.